Today is a very cold day outside in New England, so I thought we would do something to make us feel a little more warm and toasty. So let's do it. Start our 10-minute doodle, something that's going to warm us up on the inside. All right. I think winter, I guess it hasn't officially started because that would be December 22nd. But I'll tell you, it really feels like winter outside. Here we are in the negative numbers. Very, very chilly. So I was thinking, what would make me feel warm and toasty? And I thought, sitting around a campfire, cooking s'mores, or at least marshmallows, could really help. So that's what I thought we'd do today for our little relaxing doodle. This doodle is designed to get you off to a peaceful start on your day, or maybe you need a couple of minutes to decompress at work, or who knows, maybe you like to relax before you go to bed. This is perfect for whatever time you want to watch it. Just enjoy. We don't want our flames too high. We don't want to burn our sticks. There we go. Is it cold in your neck of the woods? It's definitely getting chilly in ours. We have snow already. That seems to be staying. I'm just going to erase my pencil lines so it doesn't show up underneath my colored pencil. I drew a couple of guidelines. There we go. Let's see. Let's do our sticks maybe in this color. Our little marshmallow sticks. There we go. One stick done. Are you getting your kids ready for school? Getting ready to go into the office? Or maybe you actually have the day off. That's always nice to have a day off. So what if our marshmallows are getting a little toasty on the edges? Like that. How's that? Some people like their marshmallows really crispy. And some people just like their marshmallows just a little brown. What's your favorite amount of toastiness on your marshmallows if you toast marshmallows? I'm one of those people that actually likes mine black and crispy. But I think I'm in the minority of people that like to have their marshmallows cooked that much. All right, let's add some warm colors to our fire. Yeah. I can already feel the warmth. We haven't started skiing yet here. We haven't had quite enough snow. Well, natural snowfall. We haven't had enough natural snowfall. But it's definitely been cold enough where the ski slopes can make snow. It got pretty chilly pretty fast this year. There's some orange. We'll add some orange to our fire. There we go. Make it look a little more like fiery. So I do think the mountains and the ski slopes are open. I imagine that they are. And if they're able to make snow, then I'm sure people are skiing. We get the weather reports from Mount Washington, and they are frigid up there. And they've already got, I believe, feet of snow. So we're doing okay here with just inches of snow. I'll take inches of snow over feet of snow any day. How's that looking? This is just a 10-minute or less doodle to maybe help you relax a little bit, get yourself off to a good start of your day, or wind down before you go to sleep. Sometimes we are so busy during the day that we're all keyed up when we try to go to sleep, and it's just really hard to go to sleep. Okay. Oh, I just need a color for my smoke. Okay, I got a smoke color here. There's some smoke coming off the fire. Just little wisps. There we go. I hope this is helping you feel toasty if you're on the chilly side. And we'll just add a little color to our marshmallows. I won't make the marshmallows crispy the way I like them. We'll give them just a nice brown glow. How's that? There we go. Just a little bit of color. Not too much. How's that? All right. So I think that's gonna do it for our doodle today. I'm gonna darken up the sticks a little bit. There we go. Make sure those marshmallows are on those sticks. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this doodle. Hopefully it helped you relax or get started. Maybe it was a nice little accompaniment to your morning coffee. Either way, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.